You download a video game that is 2,600 megabytes. It shows that the game is 30% downloaded. How many megabytes of the game have been downloaded? So this one's giving us a percent, so I am expecting a percent proportion to be usable on this problem. We know that it's always the percent over 100, and then it's part divided by whole. So we see a couple values that were given, of course. We were given the percent. This is how much has been downloaded as a percent. So 30% has been downloaded. But then up here it says that you download a video game that is 2,600 megabytes. Well, that's the whole game right there. So when we look to replace either part or whole, it is the whole game, the entire game. So we're going to take the whole value there and replace it with 2,600. And even the part right there, I'm going to go ahead and change that out as I'll just use a variable x. Now in class, we've preferred to use the fish method, so that's what I will use here. It's always multiply, divide, and then equals. That's multiply right there. So I would go from x down to 2,600. I would cross back up to 30. The head of the fish comes down to 100. And then you should always end where you start, which should always be the variable. And in this case, that is x. So in my calculator, I got 2,600 times 30 divided by 100, enter, and it says it's 780. Now, that means that so far, 780 megabytes have been downloaded. So that answers the question. Last thing we need to do is label there. In megabytes, that's done.